If you want to add cellular data icon on the iPhone home screen so that it will be easier for you to switch on or switch off the cellular data, then let us see how to do it. Now for that one, we will go ahead and we will open this shortcuts application in our iPhone. After that, tap on this plus icon here, and in this search action box we will look for cellular data. So there is an option here, set cellular data. Tap on it, then tap on this turn option here and select toggle. Tap on this cellular data option here at the top. You can rename it as mobile data if you want. After that, again tap on this option here, select add to home screen. Now either you can add a symbol, or if you want to add an image, select image. I will go to choose photo, and then I will select this cellular data icon, select choose, and then add. So once I do it, you can see there is cellular data icon on the iPhone home screen. If I tap on it, cellular data will be enabled, and again if I tap on it, it will be disabled.